Morning. I got GMPX on watch and INO follow through. Hope all of you guys are doing okay. Please let me know if the audio is good. Wishing everyone a great day and a great trading day today. Regardless of trading or not, I'm wishing you a great day today. CODX possible follow through to the downside. CODX. And NNBC. About 11 seconds to the open. We are open for business. AEMD on watch. Good morning, buddy. How you doing, bro? AEMD. Yeah. Watching on the high Kanishis, they look a lot better than this thing. I got a monitor dedicated to high Kanishi charts to measure, because high Kanishis, they give you a trend CODX for CODX short, CODX, and NVC on the bounce. I'll try to see if I can get an entry on CODX watching The first bounce. Watching the first bounce on CODX. Micro bounce on the 1 minute. Watching CODX. CODX. Low 225 today. Low 225. 223. That was a micro bounce on the 1 minute. On dropping here. And watch out for the daily levels though. We have a pretty decent gap to fill. Huge gap to fill all the way to the $1 mark. CODX. CODX. Micro bounce 223. Micro bounce 2023 cents as CEO DX. CODX. We already had a micro bounce around $2.32. Once you level 225 bit stack in there, a little bit of buying. Bouncing off of 225, $2.25. CODX. And NVC bouncing towards the high of day pre-market today. Gotta turn off notifications here. Okay, what's going on, TC? TC 2000 just froze on me for a second. Okay, what's going on here? Come on now. No, not really. Let me see. I'll take a look at it right now. Okay, let me just okay, now we came back. I was just about to close TC 2000 because I was having issues here with the data and streaming data. You can see there a small flag on the 1 minute. Everything came back now. I was just about to reset TC 2000 because it was not giving me exactly what I was looking for. And I had that issue there that was not showing me anything. I will definitely take a look at your DM in a second here. Nice drop on CODX right there. Ooh, followed through. Very nice flag formation, breakdown. Excellent, excellent. So the message though, took a peek at the DM that you sent me this morning earlier. I just took a look at it just now as this little consolidation here is happening. LEE. For those of you, I'm still dealing with CODX though. I'm gonna keep an eye on this thing. I'm gonna be dealing with this thing for a few minutes, but there you go. LEE. It's moving higher. LEE moving higher there. LEE. Nice move. For those of you who are looking for a decent long trade with a decent price range, so that way you don't have to tie up a lot of your capital. LEE. Want to watch out for the $3 whole dollar area there. Still dealing with CODX or follow through move to the downside though. It was a very nice flag formation on the 1 minute. Very nice flag formation on the 1 minute for me. And that was a decent follow through move, which I like. That's just the way I like things to happen. Clean follow through move. Little consolidation still in CODX. Very good consolidation here. Waiting for a possible move to the downside under the $1 mark. We have a very nice daily chart with a nice gap to fill. Very decent gap to fill to the downside on CODX. SMG, high price name, popping on the scanners. Looking for that follow through on CODX. Consolidation around 210 to 11. Possible leg up, next leg up over the $3 mark on LEE. LEE. Up today, 132%. Huge move. CODX. Looking for that follow through move under the $2 mark for a flush. Possible flush on CODX. Follow through move to the downside. Trying to hold on to 210. It's probably not going to hold though. It's really not going to hold. CODX, I'm really sure it's not going to hold. We have a very decent daily on CODX to the downside. So I'm really looking for that follow through move. CODX. Letting Lee set up. See if we can get a bull flag formation on LEE. LEE. ARMP, for those looking for another short. This could be a good short. ARMP. Bouncing on the 5. That's a decent bounce right there. Possible entry breaking under prior low. Gotta let it settle though. CODX holding on 210 to 15. First green candle on the 5. Expecting to see some follow through move to the downside. Very good gap to fill to the downside on CODX on the daily. Again, this was based on the first micro bounce on CODX. This is one of the stocks that I posted this morning. Which ones was, it's right there. GMPX. Oh no, I didn't post a CODX. I'm sorry. Well, it was one of the monitors there. I was watching that one. That was a follow through move. Hey Matt, what's happening? Got your message right here, bro. Got your message through Twitter. Hoping you having a good day. Hoping all of you have a good day. Dude, I'm so glad for you. I don't know if you remember Jordan back in 2015 when we had that group. We were trading on a group. I was talking to Jordan yesterday. He's had a lot of complications though. His body, all of a sudden in December, he went to the doctor, a lot of pain. They discovered he had some sort of discs or something, I don't know. He's going through a lot. All right, so we have a fishhook formation, kind of looking like a little bit of a fishhook formation on the 1 minute time frame on CODX. Looking for that follow through move to the downside. Okay, watching LEE 309 prior high, 309 prior high. ARMP looks like a decent short, and NVC as well. And NVC, good short. Going towards the 100, pierced under the 50. They were trying to hold on to that support in the 50. It's not working out. Now we got under the $9 mark. Next stop, the 100 on the 5. Possible move under it. Next stop, the low of that prior candle around the open of 5 minutes towards the $8 mark and NVC. Follow through move right here on CODX. Looking for that follow through move on CODX. CGMPX, yeah, setting up around the view app. I don't like it too much today though. Right now, right around the open, I liked it, but it didn't run right away, so I don't like it too much. Yeah, you got under the view app. Next stop probably around the 50. I don't like it too much. Bouncing an NVC off of the 100, as I told you guys a minute ago. If it breaks under that, it's gonna go towards the $8 mark. Next stop under the 100 on the 5 and NVC. Follow through move as short. Shooting star formation on CODX 210. It's now gonna hold on. Reversal right here. Going right back down under the under the $2. Very decent formation gap to fill to the downside on the daily. Watching an MVC for a possible follow-through move. I might get a stab at this thing. ARMP, I like it too for short. ARMP. A little low volume right now. Still on watch. But I'm going to squeeze CODX the more I can. I really think that we can get another follow-through move to the downside on CODX. INO dropping 440. I don't know if you guys remember yesterday. I told you guys I was looking for the test of the 450. We had a low of $4.28 yesterday on INO. I actually had a pretty decent day. A nice consolidation around CODX here. I know it's picking up a lot of steam though. I know it's picking up a lot of steam here. We have next level 412. 412 on the daily. Gonna keep on dropping here. Still didn't see CODX. ARMP followed through move to the downside, decent short. NNVC had a bounce around the 100. It's gonna tap or already tapped the 50 on the 5. Expecting it to hold on to that area and roll over right back down. INO here, dropping even more. Man, I'm not gonna take any trades on the INO now. I'm dealing with CODX and I'm paying attention to it a little consolidation, bear flag. I'm sorry, bear flag formation on the 5 minutes, with about a minute and 10 seconds to close. Yeah, that could be something that might work. CODX is flagging. Gotta check out what the next level is on INO on the daily though. Take a look at the daily here on INO real quick. 412, 428. So 428 could be an area where we're gonna bounce on INO. It's gonna go down to 412 to fill that gap for the next top. It was a little bit more clear yesterday though, because yesterday we had a decent level. Today is a little harder to read because it's too cluttered. Way too many levels too close. 428 and 412 is too close. We didn't have that gap. We have the huge gap here yesterday. Today's not the same thing, so I'm not gonna deal with INO today. Not a good idea. ARMP on the other hand is looking good though. If it gets under $4, I think we can see it go under even more. And MVC is having some sort of reversal here. For those on YouTube, if you guys don't mind getting hitting the like button if you like the stream, that's greatly appreciated. I know 430, 428 next level. 428 next level on the daily. What's the low of this candle right here? Do we have four? No, it's right here. The numbers are right here. The low 429 on this 1 minute candle. Okay. Open 430, high 432. Now we tap in 429, 427, 26, 24. Holy smokes. All right, so next stop is 412 on INO. CODX is making me wait a little longer than I want to. I think I'm probably gonna get out of that one. Anyway, that trade was based on the second micro bounce on the 1 minute time frame on CODX. So, look at INO. Man, you see, this is the reason why sometimes I'm like, oh man, I didn't want to deal with it. But now, looking back, it looks really sexy. But it was a little too cluttered for me. It was actually around 2032 cents. I appreciate that, Matt. Yeah, CODX is having this fish hook formation on the 5, though. I'm looking for a follow-through move, but it's taking a little longer than I want to. Oh, let me put the camera back on. I didn't realize that I didn't have it on right there. Okay. We got a possible follow-through move here on INO. Possible follow-through move here on INO. Little consolidation. On the 1. Okay. 412 is the next stop. 412 is the next stop. It's only 10 cents away though. Yeah, I'll let that go. I'm gonna let that one slide. I'm not gonna take any chances on that one. It's too close though. Watching AMD here on the high Canadians. High Kanishis are decent type of candles that really show you where the momentum is actually heading, and it offers a very decent way to see how the trend is actually going. Lee's flagging around the view app on the 5. INO is having some reversal here. There you go. Bearish engulfing candle on the 1. Bearish engulfing on the 1. Dropping huge. Holy smokes. 412. Next top. $413. 414 high, low of that candle. 413, 413, low of that 5-minute candle. $412, low of that 5-minute candle. I know. Look at you go. Look at you go. Oh my God. What a move. What a move. Too bad. Too bad I missed this one. Okay, we're having a hanging man on the 5-minute time frame on CODX. I'm really expecting a, roll over here. Copy 412. Coming down. Oof. That's crazy. What's the next level on the daily here? I really gotta find out. 361. 361. If it gets under $4, 361 is the next stop. We have a hammer. We have a hammer on the 5. Yeah, NIO dropping to NIO. Yeah, CODX, it's really taking its time. Really taking its time. APT, holy smokes. I missed that trade yesterday. Look at today. On APT, 505, dropping fast. Look at this. I missed this one yesterday though. And this is one of the ones that I really liked yesterday. Right here. Based on this flag on the open yesterday. This one here. When it was flagging here yesterday. This area here, this was the pre-market. So it started flagging here. And then he had this drop right on, right out of the open. I didn't really take advantage of this because I was dealing with other name. Give me a second here. Okay, let me fix this up real quick. My screens just moved on me, so I'm gonna have to rearrange. Good thing that I actually capture the screens and I mean the windows and not the screens, because then you guys will, the whole thing would have changed. I don't know what happened here just now. What's this window? Oh, okay, got it. CODX coming down 215. CODX. AEMD moving higher. AEMD. CODX will have a little reversal. This thing is taking longer than I would like to see. See if we can set up right there to break under. God, CODX is taking so long. See what else is moving here. Yeah, CODX. God. Are you really going to run or just pretending you will? Volume has decreased though a lot in the market. Yeah, gotta wait for it. Yeah, and NVC breaking out. Okay, let me see here. Looks a little choppy though. This NBC bounced 53 cents on that last candle, but I am not too sure. Actually not gonna take that trade. Gonna let it go. So I'm watching what else is moving in the market right now. It seems like a little slow. Yeah, AMD seems to be okay. Look at that. Look at that pullback there. This thing is holding on tight. CODX is actually holding on very tight now, 221 now. CODX is still under the view app. Still under the view app. INO, I think, is setting up for a follow-through move here. CODX has a little channel here. It seems like we can have a breakdown here. CODX. Let's see. I'm still waiting for it towards the under $2 mark. CODX with a small channel. CODX, still waiting for you. I'm waiting here for you. Yes, 215, tapping 215, tapping 215. CODX. I know. Setting up. CODX, small channel. Small channel. Very nice channel. Let's look at that one. HIPAA. HIPAA. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We've seen this one move in the past. HIPAA. Or HIPAA. HIPAA. Whatever it is. Very good gap on the daily though. The only issue that I have is that it's already moved a lot in the pre-market hours. I'm really not sure if it would be a good idea to get an entry around here. I'm gonna keep an eye on it though, but not too sure if it will be a good idea to get an entry around here. Yeah, I see that. He had that resistance on the 50 on a daily, so it was a pretty decent gap up today this morning. Let's see if we can get some follow through, but so for right now I'm not interested in taking any trades on that. I think I'm gonna just step out of CODX. The next few days, I'm gonna start a podcast. I'm going to go for it though. I think, but it's really not going to be about trading. For those of you that think I'm gonna be talking about trading, it's going to be more than just trading. I might end up talking about trading, maybe interviewing people that actually trade. But it's really not going to be about trading. Because, again, trading is just like a little tool on a toolbox. So I really don't want to center that or centralize the whole podcast into trading. Guys, I feeling kind of weird, a little dizzy or something. I don't know. I'm gonna take a step back. I'm gonna go downstairs, get some medicine or something. I'm gonna cut the stream for now. I don't know. I'm feeling kind of weird. Um, yeah, so I'm gonna take a step back here. I'm gonna keep this thing open. I'm looking for a move towards 175 on CODX. And so I'm gonna set my stop around the view app 226. And I'm gonna keep on managing this trade, but for now I'm gonna step back because my head is kind of spinning and I'm feeling kind of weird and a little dizzy or something. So I am going to cut the stream for now, and I will be continuing to manage this trade. I will talk to you guys in a little while, and I hope you guys enjoy your day. For now, I'm gonna sign off. Look at I know. Yeah, I missed that one. I'll see you guys in a little bit, God willing. All right, take care, guys. Enjoy your day.